let's turn our attention to set up a Wi-Fi connection. To do this, we need a wireless router, a PC, and a relay. In this case, we're going to use two relays to show the settings of different IP addresses. So let's begin. First, we're going to set up the router's SSID. This is done by accessing to the router's configuration setup using the manufacturer's IP address. Start by physically connect to your router to your PC, then open your internet browser and enter the IP info into the address window and your router. Now, go to the wireless setting and take note of your network name, often referred to as SSID. If you are using a new device, set up the network name to one of your choosing. Here we're using uppercase LD, then save. The second step for the router is to make sure that the security settings are correct. You should select WPA2 personnel as shown here and set a password to secure your network. Now that we have the router set up, let's move on to the PC settings. We need to go to the Wi-Fi network connection and then select Internet Protocol version 4, referred to as TCP/IP v4. Now we will review its property and the second window will open with a tab called General. Here we need to check the use of the following IP address and then set the IP address to 192.168.0.2 and the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. Now click OK to accept these settings. So now let's turn on the Wi-Fi button from the laptop, search available wireless network connection, choose LD and click Connect. Enter the passphrase PA55WORD. The default IP address is automatically assigned based on the serial number of the relay. The calculation is a modulo 242 of the last 3 digits of the serial number plus 12. For example, when the serial number is 1, then the last octet will be 13. When serial number is 241, the last octet will be 253. When the serial number is 242, the last octet will be 12. This is to ensure uniqueness of the default IP address for all 8 series devices present on one wireless network, and it creates a usable address space from 192.168.0.12 to 192.168.0.253 for 8 series devices. For here, we just set it to 192.168.0.12. Then, under Wi-Fi security, choose WPA-PSK, set SSID to LD to match SSID of access point, then set up WPA2 passphrase to PA55WORD. Now we'll create a new connection with the interface set to Wi-Fi. Next, type in the relay IP address 192.168.0.12. Then click on the Read Order Code button. Then the order code will be displayed, and now your Wi-Fi connection is successful.